Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're checking out the LEVOIT Vital 100S-P Air Purifier, a powerful and smart solution designed for large rooms up to 1073 square feet. If you're dealing with dust, allergies, pet hair, or just want cleaner air in your space, this might be exactly what you need. Right away, what stands out is its AHAM VERIFIDE certification, which means its performance is tested and trusted for real-world air cleaning. That's important because not all air purifiers actually deliver what they promise. This one is built to capture 99.97% of airborne particles, including pollen, dust, smoke, and even pet dander, thanks to its True HEPA filtration system. Now let's talk smart features. The built-in air quality monitor constantly checks your room's air and automatically adjusts the fan speed to keep things clean without you lifting a finger. And with Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control everything from your phone whether you're at home or not. Super convenient. If you have pets, this purifier is a big win. It's designed with a washable pre-filter that captures larger particles like fur and hair, extending the life of the HEPA filter and saving you money over time. Plus, it helps reduce pet odors, which is always a bonus. For nighttime use, the sleep mode is ultra quiet, so it won't disturb your rest. It dims the display and lowers noise levels while still maintaining clean air throughout the night. Perfect for bedrooms. The design is sleek and minimal, so it fits into any room without being an eyesore. And despite its power, it's energy efficient, so you don't have to worry about high electricity bills. Overall, the LEVOIT Vital 100S-P is a solid choice if you want a reliable, smart, and effective air purifier for a larger space, especially if allergies or pets are part of your daily life. If you're interested, check the link in the description to grab yours today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more honest product reviews.